Welcome to my channel, welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. And if you have, welcome back my friends. Thanks for tuning in today. Guess what? It's another BOXYCHARM! And it's really cute. And I made this face with it. So you guys should subscribe because I think I'm pretty cool. You're entitled to your own opinions, but subscribe so you can see more of this face. And if you want to see how I made this face and what products I got in my BOXYCHARM this month, then please just keep on watching. So as you guys know, I want my first impressions to always be your first impressions. So I just now took some tweezers, and I haven't looked in it, I promise. So just like every BOXYCHARM, you have the BOXYCHARM logo on the front, and it says Hello Charmers, all their social media, and then all of the fun goodies inside. Just like I normally do, I am going to go through these one by one. It looks like it's in a really cute little pamphlet this month. It says eye candy, and then drops down and has all the products that we are going to be working with today. It looks like the first thing that I'm going to go over on my list is going to be by Dr. Brandt. I'm really starting to like this brand. It's great for skincare. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. So it looks like this bottle that is an ounce costs $47, so that's cool. This is a mask. I've actually done a lot of skincare today, which is why my face is a little bit flushed, but I have actually done 2 masks today, so I'm not going to be trying this out, but it will be something that I will be trying out, and I'm really excited about it. I feel like this is a pretty good size for a mask. Looks like there are no primers or foundations or concealers or setting powders or anything like that. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my basic foundation routine and we'll get this look started. I have found my favorite everything when it comes to my base. I have found my favorite primer, I have found my favorite concealer, I have found my favorite foundation, and I have found my favorite setting powder. But you should subscribe because that video will be another time. Today we are going to go to the next product on the list. So the second product that I'm going to go over is a brow gel. It's an Instatint. It's an Instatint tinted eyebrow gel. Say that 100 times fast. It is by the BrowGal. It says tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. So I am pretty excited about this. I've actually been wanting to purchase another brow gel, and so I'm glad that I haven't because this one looks wonderful. I would super duper like to fill in my brows a little bit before, but I'm actually really curious to see how this brow gel does on its own since it is a tinted brow gel. And it also says it has microfibers. So this is what it looks like, and the brush is the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Going to try this out. Wow. I like that this is so tiny. Wow. Look at the difference in my eyebrows right now. Like, this is just a gel. I haven't filled anything in. I haven't done anything. This is crazy. Wow, I love these brows. I am blown away by these brows. These look like my natural eyebrows, but they're not. This is the best brow gel I've ever had in my entire life. So good job, the BrowGal. Wow, good job. Next thing on my list I'm super excited about. So BOXYCHARM has been spilling spoilers like nobody's business. However, this time they released all the products that they were going to put in the box, but they did a basically I didn't know which palette I was gonna be getting. I knew there was gonna be a palette, but there was 5 or 6 different ones, and by Colourpop that they were going to use, so to keep it a secret, they didn't spoil this one. So we are going to talk about the palette. I'm so excited. So it's by Colourpop. I've never used Colourpop eyeshadows, and I know that sounds crazy, but like I've just never purchased Colourpop. I've been wanting to, but I just never have. I'm a person that like majorly sticks with my brands that I like, so if I haven't tried it before, it's gonna take me a while to try it for the first time. So this is the Colourpop Semi-Precious Eyeshadow Palette. Highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. So it retails for $26 and it looks amazing. So how freaking cute is this packaging? This is so adorable. It's a semi-precious palette and it has the names on the back, looks like, and these are the shades that I got, and they're kind of crazy. They're a little bit out of my comfort zone, but we're gonna play with this and we're gonna see what we can do. I feel like I have to apologize for my eyes in every video, but it's because I wear glasses, so when I don't wear glasses, it kind of makes my eyes irritated. Just saying. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this color today. It's called Easy Go. I am going to take this shade right here. It's called Up and Atom. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Upon a Star. Now I'm going to use this color at the bottom. I'm actually going to mix this color right here and this color right here, which is The Game and Up and Atom. Done a winged look in a while, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use my favorite e.l.f. Cosmetics liner, and we are going to do something sexy and sultry here. Now that is what I call a wing. This looks intense, but I like it. So I'm going to put on some lashes today, which I love. I'm obsessed with these lashes, but I feel like it would really go well with this crazy look of mine. So I'm going to use my Morphe lashes in, what is this style of? Smoochy? I think it's my Morphe lashes in Smoochy. So that's what we're gonna do. I love these lashes. They're so pretty. They're so big and crazy, but they're so subtle at the same time. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. I decided that I was going to take a brush and kind of blow out the red under my eyes because I think I want to do that and do what you gotta do. Is this not the cutest thing ever? It's adorable. I am going to go ahead and bronze my face really quick just to give me some dimension. So I'm going to take my Morphe 9C palette and my Kat Von D Shade and Light Brush and just bring some dimension into my cheeks. On the list is from Tarte. It's a Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. It says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream. Oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. So normally I wouldn't put a gel highlighter or a cream highlighter on top of my already done foundation, but we are going to try this. This is what this looks like. We're gonna see. I'm not even gonna test it on my hands. I'm just gonna. Oh, you see that? Do you guys see that? This is crazy. With my fingers first. It's very subtle, but it shows up, which I like. This is definitely going to be something that I'm going to either mix with my foundation or put underneath my setting powder because it does act weird on top of a set base. But I do like it and it's very pretty. But for the meantime, to give myself a little bit of an extra pop, I'm going to go ahead and take my Oakland glowing palette and I'm going to take some of these colors and really bring in some intensity. So we're gonna go over the last item. It's a brand called Adesse. It's a high definition liquid lipstick. It says luxurious, creamy, long wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and it retails for $24. I don't think it has a name. A really pretty color. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm super excited about it. I think it's really cool. I freaking love the BOXYCHARM this month. I am pretty sure I'm going to use every single one of these products. And sometimes, not often, sometimes BOXYCHARM is hit or miss. Almost never. I'm just saying, almost never. But sometimes there's some items that I don't know if I will use, and these I definitely am going to use all the freaking time. So I'm super excited. I think this looks amazing. I love my eyes. I think they look really pretty. So go BOXYCHARM. If you guys would like to see anything else from me, please let me know in the comment section below. For my video, that is it. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become part of my little YouTube family. And I will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.